Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Telesin sent me these awesome accessories for my Action 5 Pro in exchange for a review. They didn't pay me to say anything, everything you're about to hear is my honest take. I'll break down what these accessories do, plus their pros and cons. Thank you Telesin, and we're gonna start with the multifunctional cage. You don't know how many times I've dropped my Action 5 Pro, and it is necessary to have a cage. This is made of aluminum, so it's really light, but it's strong. The DJI version is made of plastic, so it may not be as durable. I wish Telesin could make the cage in black so it doesn't stand out as much. The biggest reason why I would get this over the DJI one is that it is so much easier to change the battery. I did a quick test to compare which cage is faster and more convenient to change the battery, and here's the result. I have to take out the camera from the cage, place it down and swap the battery, and after it's done, I have to put it back on again. 26 seconds. And now here's the Telesin version. The cage is designed so that you don't have to take it out once it's installed. You just need to unlock the cage, swap the battery, and relock it. Just under 20 seconds, it's not huge, but every second counts when you're out there filming. This cage also has more mounting options than the DJI one. You can attach your action camera to a monopod using the thread hole like this. Or you can use the quick release adapter mount, which is also very stable. You can also attach the cage to any object made of steel outside because the magnet is quite strong. It has a cold shoe mount on top as well, so you can attach a pocket light like this, and you can use it to vlog at night, for example. If you're wondering, this light is from ULANZI, it's cheap and useful. Not gonna lie, this setup looks pretty cute. You can also pair it with the extension rod in the adventure combo. If you don't have enough adapters from DJI, you can always get it from Telesin. The price is cheaper and the quality is just as good. They are made of the same material, and I think the Telesin version looks more cool. Of course, the screw is also included. I do think the magnet on the Telesin adapter is even stronger than the DJI one, which is a plus for me. Next, we're gonna talk about the filters. If you care about the quality of your videos and you want to make them more cinematic, I think filters are absolutely essential. I'll show you how to use all of the filters here. In this set, we have the CPL filter and the 3 ND filters, which are 8, 16, and 32. These high quality filters are really easy to install. You just press it in place like this and it won't fall off easily. It works with all kinds of cages, but the limitation is you can only use one filter at a time. This is a CPL filter, and you can rotate it to cut out reflections. Let me show you some real-life examples. It was a bright sunny day in Hong Kong. I used the CPL filter to cut out the reflections on the floor. You can see that the glare on the floor and on the leaves has been reduced, and we can see the colors better. This is almost impossible to do in post-processing, but you might encounter color shift, which you need to correct afterwards. Another use of CPL is to reduce the reflections on water surface. Like when you want to see the fish inside the pond, you can use CPL. Moving on to ND filters, you will use them when you want the motions to look more natural. Without the ND filter, the shutter speed has to be cranked up really high, which causes this choppy motion. As for what filter strength to use, I will use ND32, the strongest here, when I want to shoot directly into the sun. ND16 is my most used filter, and you can use it in sunny days in general. And ND8 when you just want to reduce the brightness a little bit, for example in cloudy days. Telesin also sent me this Shockproof case for the Action series. You can store your action camera and all of the accessories inside here. There are some finger marks here, probably left during the packaging, but I don't really mind. It has a nice handle here if you want to carry it, or when you want to hang it on your backpack. They also included a clip here, which is really helpful. This case is surprisingly well designed. There is a zipper compartment to put your passport or whatever, and there's some space behind as well. I like how they designed this case to fit everything in your adventure combo. Action camera with cage, no problem. The battery case from DJI, the 1.5 meter extension rod, the 2 adapters from either Telesin or DJI, their screws, and 4 filters that you have. If you have even more batteries, you can put them in these slots. And this slot is for your SD card and the round adapter. This is what it looks like on their website, link in the description below. One bonus point is that this molding is removable, so you can put other stuff that you want to protect inside. They claim that this bag is waterproof, so I wanted to test it out. If it can survive this, I think it should be fine in any downpour. The moment of truth. It is still dry inside, which is impressive. I believe they also use YKK zippers, which is waterproof. This is a real life example of how I would use it. If I don't have enough space in my camera bag, I would hang it like this. In this way, you can quickly get your accessories without fumbling around in your bag, but I know it doesn't look good to have something hanging around. Alternatively, when you're not carrying a camera bag, you can put it inside a tote bag like this, and you're ready to go. The links for everything I've mentioned is in the description below. You can use my code Dixon to get 15% off their official store. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Once again, thank you Telesin, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.